Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am really excited today because I'm about to have the BTS meal. So if you guys don't know what or who BTS is, it's a Korean boy band which has 7 members in it, and they are so famous. The first time I saw them was I think in 2018 when they performed in the AMAs, which is American Music Award, and I think they performed the song DNA, and I just fell in love with them. But I'm not a crazy fan. I do not consider myself like I'm not a part of that BTS army. That's what their fans call them. I'm not part of that army, but I do love them. I don't follow them as such, but yeah, when I got to know about this meal, I was like, I have to have it. So, and I was so thrilled that they're actually, that it's actually available in Dehradun, because most of the time, half of the things are not available here. And so when I saw that they were delivering, I was like, I have to have it. So basically, this meal consists of chicken nuggets, 10 pieces, medium-sized Coke, and then we have fries. And the thing that I'm most excited to try is these two sauces. So this one is the sweet chili sauce and this is the Cajun sauce, which I'm not sure whether they're going to add it to the menu or not. I believe they must serve these sauces in Korea. And so yeah, let's try. I can't wait anymore. Okay, so I have to confess something. I have never had chicken nuggets from McDonald's, and this is going to be my first time. So yeah, let's dig in. It's a little dry. Okay, that's why, sauce there. So the next one I'm going to have it with sauce. Let me have a sip of my Coke first. I won't believe half of it is already gone because a mishap happened, and yeah, I don't know what to say. When I opened it up, the package and everything, and I saw that the Coke was spilled everywhere, I was so disheartened, but I was like, kya kar sakte hain? These things happen. Yeah, it's okay. Let's try it with the sweet chili sauce first. So I've ordered extra. I have a lot of these sauces here. Wait, there's more. Okay, let's dunk it in. Ouch. Ooh. I like it. It's actually nice. It's not spicy. It's nice. I mean, of course, it says it's sweet chili, so it is sweet with a little bit of chili in it. But yeah, it's nice. Okay, now let's try the other one. Okay, so this is how it looks. Ouch, it's yellow. It's like mustard. it's supposed to taste like mustard? Because I've never had Cajun sauce before, so I'm not sure how it's supposed to taste. Let's have fries with these. Okay, so this meal will cost you around 380 to 400, including taxes, delivery charges and everything. This meal is just for rupees 300, but they charge around 50 for tax, and then there's delivery. And also I've ordered extra. Even if you don't order extra sauce, it will cost you somewhere around 380 to 400. I really hope this sweet chili sauce stays. It's good. I also have ketchup. I love McDonald's ke fries. I think they're the best. By the way, do you guys like this band? Are you like a crazy BTS fan, or have you even heard about them? When I was in college in 2018, my friend, she was crazy about them. That's how I became aware who they are and what they do, and basically how famous they are. They have a crazy army. I mean, literally crazy. Honestly, there's nothing special about this meal other than the packaging. It's so cute. I think I'm going to save this. I love the purple packaging. Wait, I think I haven't showed you this, right? Have I? The packaging is very pretty. It's all purple. Wait. See, it's so cute. Other than the packaging, the meal is, it's kind of average. Like, it's boring actually. We always eat fries at McDonald's. We always order a Coke. Chicken nuggets, they taste okay. I think the only catch about this meal is the packaging and these sauces. Like, I genuinely like this one. Even the Cajun one, it's not bad. I just like the other one better. But other than this, the meal is boring. Would you guys order this meal? I think if you're a crazy BTS fan you're going to. Like, the only reason why I ordered it was because I wanted you guys to see what they're giving us for 400 and what's there in the meal. So the first interview that I saw of this band was, I think they came on Ellen's show, and one of the band members told the audience that he learned English while watching Friends, and then they performed. I think it was DNA only, and they're such great performers. Like, when you see them performing live, you'll be shocked. They don't miss a beat. They're never out of breath. They sound just perfect. You'll feel like it's all recorded and they're just lip sync, but they're not. That's how good they are. If I'm not wrong, I think they all belong to humble backgrounds, and they're all self-made, and they've struggled a lot, because I saw this, I don't know what to call it. It was, I think, a documentary or some sort of tribute to them, where I saw where they used to live when they started out and versus where they live now. So that was quite motivating, you know. I felt good after watching them. They really worked hard. I wanted to order this meal since long. Like, of course, I was excited. I think before BTS, there was also Travis Scott's meal, limited edition, but I don't think so India में कभी available हुआ. India का तो नहीं पता, देहरादून में तो नहीं हुआ. So Travis Scott is Kylie's ex-boyfriend. Basically, he's Kylie's daughter's father. McDonald's really, not McDonald's actually, Zomato needs to do something about their delivery, because half of my Coke is gone and that stinks. Obviously, it's not the rider's fault, but still. I really wanted to open this all in front of you, but then I saw this and I was like, what's the point? Do you like to eat ketchup with fries or without? I think I like peri peri fries more now. Like, these are just boring. Oh, the sauce is so good. If you order this meal, make sure to get extra sauce. This one. It's actually very nice. Okay, this is going to be my last chicken nugget, because I'm full now. Like, I'm almost there. Do let me know in the comment section below whether you're going to order this meal or not. And if you have already ordered it, whether you liked it or not. I'm all out of Coke. Yes, I am. Okay guys, so I am done. It was a decent meal, not the best. If given an option, I would never order just this from McDonald's. Like, there's so much out there, but I really wanted to try the BTS meal. There was so much hype about it. It was trending all over social media, and I really wanted to have it. And plus, I've never had, like I said, I've never had chicken nuggets from McDonald's, so I was like, chalo ye bhi try kar lenge. And this meal did not disappoint me, but like I said, there was nothing extraordinary about it other than the package and these sauces, because I don't think so they're going to add it in the menu, so they're for a limited period of time. And yeah, you can actually try them. Ek baar to banta hai try karna. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you all next time, but before you leave, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell icon so that whenever I upload, you get notified. Till then, bye, take care.